A very good morning to all of you. So, guys, I'm your trading guide, and how are you? And how's your trading going on? Yes, guys. Okay, mine is going fine, and Nifty is giving great moves nowadays, and volatility has been increased. Every day we are getting about 150 points gap up or gap down in the Nifty. So volatility persisting in the market, and this can continue for some more days, because it can even go higher from here on before the index itself finds some kind of stability and becomes sideways. Before that we may have this kind of volatility, because all the mother markets are correcting, Dow is correcting, and everything, a dollar is going up. So that way, one thing is clear, that yes, we are into some kind of corrections, and these corrections are going on. It's not a 1 week correction. If the correction starts, I think at least a 3-4 weeks kind of correction should be there onto the index. Okay, so I welcome you all on www.yourtradingguide.com, and guys, we'll go for a top to down approach while analyzing the Nifty. And with that view, I have opened the monthly chart of the Nifty. You can see this is a chart of monthly chart, where every candle represents 1 month movement into the Nifty. Okay, so if you look here at the recent candle, this is the candle of the February month. Okay, and since this month is in progress, so we cannot say that yes, this is a red candle or it should be like a red candle, because until and unless we get a close of the candle, we cannot say anything. Okay, it's just that this month Nifty is, so far it has reacted this way. Okay, so guys, this is a Fibonacci retracement which I have already drawn over the Nifty, and which is from a swing low to a swing high, because Nifty has formed some kind of top over it, and for the moment, and yes, the top is intact. Okay, so we have a swing low, and we have a swing high, so that we can look forward and plan our trades accordingly. Okay, so if you look here, this was December 2016, and from December 2016 Nifty rallied all the way till January 2018. Okay, the bottom was made on December 2016, and the top made was on January 2018. Okay, so this was very glorious period for Indian markets, and we have had a very good rally into the index. Now since we are going through some corrections, so first thing which comes into the mind is that how long this correction can go, and where it may find some support. Okay, but yes guys, if you look back on the monthly chart, one interesting thing I have found is whenever Nifty gives a shallow correction, it gives off about 38.2%, and whenever it goes through a deep correction, it corrects about 50% of the rally. So with that view, if Nifty gives a shallow correction from here on, then at least it should touch a 9919, which is here. Okay, and if it continues to go down and gives a deep correction, it can even go till 9532. Okay, so so far we are looking to these levels, that yes, our index can find the support in this area. Okay, so the sense which we got from the monthly chart is this, that yes, the downside is not yet over and we can have some corrections from here on. Okay, so let's move to the weekly chart. Fine guys, are you all able to understand this? Fantastic. Okay, so if you see here on the weekly charts, what we can see is Nifty is moving into a channel, and this is an uptrending channel. Okay, in an uptrending channel, what happens? It touches the lows of the channel, then it touches the highs of the channel, and so on and so forth. It continues till it doesn't close any to the extreme point of the channel. Okay, so guys, this is this week, the week just passed, this was the candle which touched the lower end of this channel and then bounced back. Means it managed to close above the or inside the channel. Okay, now so far we can see, yes, it has found a bounce and it has closed inside the channel. Okay, and second thing is that this channel is of about 900 points. So if it closes below the channel and if it gives a breakout on the downside, then from there on the correction will be of or should be of 900 points. Fine, so if you see and if you calculate, the 900 points from here on will fall in the same zone we have analyzed. This this pink zone is about 900 points far from the current price. Now let's move further to the daily chart. Okay, so what I can see on the daily chart is, yes, this was the bottom that Nifty has made, and then it have given some recovery, and then again it is coming down. So if it is the bottom, okay, I'm not ignoring this bottom, but yes, if this is the bottom that Nifty has created, then what should happen? That at least the Nifty should retest this low and then again it should bounce back. Okay, and if it doesn't or in second case, what will happen? It will not respect this low while it comes to again to this level and will go further down. So two things can be there, either it can respect this low or it can violate this low. If it violates this low, it can further go down from here and the correction will continue, and if this is the bottom, it will respect and will start going up. So we are open to the market, and guys, our job is not to be predictive, rather to be reactive. But yes, right now at this moment we don't have any confirmation of any kind of bottom into the charts, so we'll be bearish into a bear market till the time we don't get any confirmation. So this was all from our side, and you can use this view to plan your trades, and all the very very best to all of you guys. Be very successful into your career, and thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.